Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about Laplace transformation. So now I will show you how to answer. So we applied the formula in here. So we have Laplace for second derivative of y. We have h squared capital F of h minus s, and we have f of h, number 0. Later up we need to minus first derivative of f at number 0. Now let's go to the second one. That's about Laplace of first derivative of y. So we have h of f of h minus f of number 0 in here. And the last one, now we can put Laplace for the both sides in here. So this one, that is about this one. This one, that is about this one. And this one we change by capital F of h. This one we follow the formula in here. So we have a equals to number 2. So we have number 3 over h minus number 2. The second one we have negative number 2. So I will put negative number 2 on here. And we have 1 over s plus number 2. Next, we have the condition. So this one equals to number 0. So I will put number 0 on here. This one equals to number 1. So I will put number 1 on here. This one we have number 0. And now we need to simplify. So negative number 1 I will put on the right. So capital F of h we can do about factorization. Next, about this one we can do about factorization, and that should be about h minus number 6 and h plus number 8. Now we divide both sides by this one. Now, for the next one, we need to use about partial fractions. So, for example, I will choose about this one. So, for this one, I will put about a over h minus number 2, b over h minus number 6, and c over h plus a. Next, we do common denominator. So, about this one, it is missing about h minus number 6, h plus number 8. So we need to multiply by this one in here. About this one, it is missing about h minus number 2, h plus 8. About this one, we missing about h minus number 2, h minus number 6. And now this one, we have h minus number 2, h minus number 6, and h plus 8. So, we need to expand this one. This one. This one. Next, we need to arrange based on the terms of h. About h square, we have a plus b plus c. About h, we have 2a plus 6b minus ac. About the numbers, we have negative 48, negative 16b, positive 12c. Now, we need to compare coefficients. We just have only number 3, so this one equals to number 3. This one and this one equals to number 0 because we don't have h square and h on numerator. So, we have the system of equations. Now, we need to find the solutions of A, B, C. So, A equals to negative number 3 over 40. B equals to 3 over 56. C equals to 3 over 140. And now, I will put A, B, C going here. Now, you can do by yourself for this one and this one. So here is the answer for this one. And this one. And that is from here. Now, we combine everything. So this one, that is about this one. This one, that is about this one. This one, that is about this one. And now we need to simplify this one. So we have like this. Now we use about inverse Laplace transformation for this one. So we have the final answer in here. This one we have number 2, so a equals to number 2, and we have e to the power of 2t. The next one that is about positive number 2, so a equals to negative number 2. The next one that is about negative 8. The next one that is about positive number 6. This is the end. Thank you for watching.